Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm here to share with you guys the design for October. I absolutely love it. I don't know what is making me like want to try out orange, but I have orange on my nails, orange on my feet, and then of course I have orange here as well. But primarily that is because if you use the colorful, then you know that the design for October is actually orange. The colorway is orange, and so I like to kind of match up the color of the planner tab to the color of my kit. I don't know why, but I like to do it. But anyway, of course this is the new Erin Condren Deluxe Monthly, so if you have the old one, I'll show that to you right now. It is more of a vibe, I believe, because it just looks better all around. So you know, this is what you would be working with if you had the older one, and I was, you know, working on some things. So I feel like this is, you know, it would go much better with this. I honestly should have stayed in my 2018-2019 planner because this is just way cuter, and it'll go way better if you have this one, which a lot of people do have this one, of course. But this is what our template is looking like for the month of October, and I absolutely love it. I am super obsessed. I decided to print on glossy for whatever reason and use that. This is my personal planner, my personal budget planner, and I'm using glossy. I really like it, and I think I might be able to get behind this going forward. I don't know, I'm not sure. It just depends on how I'm feeling. And my October budget kit is a little butchered, but that's because I'm not interested in wasting stickers. But do not fret, your October budget sticker and all of your other stickers will not be, you know, botched. So this is what the design looks like for the month of October, and I literally love it. Of course, I am offering the add-on, the neutral add-on, if you happen to have this planner. I don't know if I feel like I'm kind of over. I like to have places to write things down, but I don't know that I'm like obsessing over this page. This is what it looks like without stickers. Well, I did add some stickers, but this is what every one of them looks like. I don't particularly care for it. I'm kind of not that interested in it, to be honest. But this is what we are working with. And then this is the monthly spread. So here are the Bill Do stickers. They are two-toned, and I just thought that they provided a nice little contrast, and I literally love this. I do like to offset my October 2019 sticker, or just my monthly sticker period, because otherwise the date will peek through unless the sticker is like really dark, and it was peeking through here, so I kind of just layered that over here so it would cover up that. This is not a sticker that's found in my shop. That's just a random sticker there because I like to use my other stickers that I have as well. And here are the payday flags. I think that everything looks really nice and cohesive, and I absolutely love it. And I think I would really love it in the older planner as well. But of course I do make stickers for the mini happy planner and the classic happy planner and the Erin Condren petite planner, and I make kits for this particular planner, which is the 7x9 Erin Condren Deluxe Monthly. I have a kit that is smaller and less expensive, and then I have a full kit to meet basically all of your budget needs. So 2 kits that fit this planner, a kit that fits the mini happy planner, a kit that fits the classic happy planner, and then a kit that fits the Erin Condren Deluxe Monthly Erin Condren petite planner. And then Michelle just gave me a Hobonichi Weeks because she wants me to make a budget kit for that. So that could be coming. I don't really know. I'm not really sure. I feel like it could be a thing. It shouldn't take long for me to whip it together, but I don't really know. I feel like it could definitely be a thing. Like, it might even be a thing before October. I don't know. I'm not making any promises, but what I do know is that this is what we are working with for the month of October. So of course you can go ahead and feel free to order. The link will be down in the description box and in the comment section if I don't forget to post it, where you can go to my Etsy shop and place your order if you would so desire. But I really love how this looks. Like I said, I'm not really loving this. I don't know. It's just a lot to cover up. It's just doing a whole lot, but I really do love this color scheme like the mostest. So just wanted to hop on here and show it to you guys. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye, guys.